Hello, my darlings, and welcome. Today I'm going to infuse some oils with flowers and herbs for use in my magical workings. Let's do some magical crafting. Today I will infuse some oil with rosebuds, rosemary, chamomile, and lavender. I'm using small jars today, but you can use any jars or bottles you like and make any amount of oil you need. These small jars hold about 4 ounces of liquid. I started with the rosebuds. I chose roses for their sweet floral aroma and heart-opening properties. It might seem like I'm going very slowly as I'm putting the rosebuds in the jar. This is because I'm adding intention with each rosebud that goes into the jar. Roses encourage beauty and attract love and romance. You can use them to honor the goddess Aphrodite and Isis and represent the planet of Venus. Rosemary is probably my favorite herb. I started with 1 rosemary bush at my front door, and over time I've planted 6 additional bushes. Rosemary can be used for ritual cleansing, blessing, and purification. It's also useful in spells for fidelity, as well as to dispel jealousy. Rosemary is useful for ritual baths and for making sacred herbal water, and it's said to enhance memory and aid in learning or schoolwork. Like all plants, lavender has a specific type of energy that adds to your magical work. Its purple flowers inspire psychic activity, dream recall, and more. Surprisingly, lavender is a member of the mint family. It's an aromatic, flowery herb known for its calming nature. Lavender is so well known for its ability to calm that it's been scientifically proven to reduce stress better than medications. That power can be harnessed for use in your magic as well. It's an excellent aromatic, usually mixing well with other floral scents. There's a long list of lavender's magical properties: love, protection, sleep, longevity, purification, happiness, peace, and clarity of thought. Chamomile's use has been documented as far back as the ancient Egyptians. Chamomile is linked to Ra, Helios, and other sun gods. Chamomile brings calm and aids in sleep as well as meditation. It's known as an herb of purification and protection as well, planted around your home to protect it from negative energy. Chamomile is also believed to bring good luck, so if you're a gambler, it's said to wash your hands in chamomile tea to ensure good luck at the gaming tables, or make a garland to wear around your hair to attract a lover, or carry some in your pocket for general good fortune. I've used olive oil as my base oil. However, you can use whatever oil you have on hand. Some common base oils are avocado, jojoba, sunflower, sweet almond, or vegetable oil. Feel free to experiment with other flowers and herbs when infusing oils. Dandelions are generally quite common and make a very useful infusion. Some other common herbs and flowers used to infuse oils are calendula, elderflower, hawthorn, mugwort, sage, thyme, and wormwood. If you'd like to infuse oils for cooking, you may consider onions, garlic, basil, or peppers. One way to infuse these oils is to leave them to steep for 2 or 3 months. I like to set a reminder on my calendar on my phone to remind me when my oils are ready to be strained. Just give the jars or bottles a shake every once in a while, and otherwise leave them alone. If you want to speed up the process, you can put the jar of oil in a water bath in a pot or a crock pot and heat it slowly over a low heat for an hour. Then let the mixture steep further for a day and it's ready to strain and use. Some common magical uses for infused oils are to anoint your altar or magical tools, or to anoint yourself for meditation and ritual. You can also anoint your home to cleanse and protect it. For example, you can combine infused oils with sea salt and put it in the four corners of a room or your home for protection, or draw protection symbols on windowsills or door jambs with oil. Infused oil can also be used to dress candles for candle magic, or used in mojo bags, spell bags, or spell jars. Use infused oil to anoint your feet or your forehead, or anoint anything you'd like to bless or give good luck. Yourself, your car, a job application, loan documents, the tools of your trade. Infused oils can be mixed into floor washes or splashed into a bath, and you can make wonderfully magical food if you cook with them. I intend to use these infused oils to create magical healing salves, and that will be another video. To strain the oil, I used a common kitchen strainer. You can also use a tea strainer if it's fine enough. Sometimes some of the herbs or flowers will manage to make it through the strainer. If this happens, add a layer of cheesecloth inside the strainer. Just remember to squeeze the cloth well to get all of the oil back, as cheesecloth will soak up a good amount of it. What kind of infused oil will you make? And what magical uses will you use it for? Let me know in the comments below.